I've made a small change to my cameras so that camera number one, when I play it, zooms out very quickly and then starts to zoom back in. And then, if we go ahead and look at camera number two, we'll see that this camera starts zooming in at around frame 200. So now what I want to do is I'd like to set this up so that the camera view switches based on where in the animation we are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to camera one, and I'll just Control 0 to go back to that as my main camera. And with it selected, I'm going to go ahead to marker in my timeliner, and I'm going to just add a marker. And with the camera still selected, I will then go up to bind camera to markers. So then what I'll do is I'll jump around to maybe around here to just before the other camera starts moving. I will select that camera. I will add a marker. And then I will go ahead and bind camera to marker. So now if we go back to the beginning and we play this, let's see what we get. Zooms out, pauses, zooms back in slowly, just the way I have camera one set. And in a few moments, we'll see what happens. And now we've jumped to the other view, and the camera zooms in the way I had set up in one of the previous videos.